Some of the top considerations to think about when you're going to invest in IT is how do you simplify operations long term? We're all trying to do more with less. How do you simplify how you're going to pay for that? So things like managed services where you have utility based, in other words, taking what were traditionally CapEx dollars and turning them into OpEx dollars. And lastly, really having a partner, someone you can go to, a trusted advisor that can show you what are the best technologies, how do they fit with the current landscape of what you're trying to accomplish, and how do you integrate all of those together to a guaranteed roadmap for the success of your overall project. So managed services or cloud services has certainly been a hot topic for quite a while now. And the things that really make it easier for a customer to jump into IT is, again, around this CapEx versus OpEx. So instead of coming up with all the dollars to purchase the hardware and software and services, you can really stretch that out over time. Use your operational expenditures and pay by the drip, if you will. Pay for only the services you're using when you're using them, so a more elastic, a more simplified version of how to pay for it. And from an operational perspective, you don't need to have the staff that has all the expertise to manage all of these disparate technologies. So the really important thing when looking for somebody in a managed service provider is somebody that brings that expertise, can do all of those integration, can package it up in a way that is attractive for how you pay for it, and offers the kind of help desk and IT support that you're going to need to maintain it throughout its life cycle. So in order to help our customers keep up with the ever-changing landscape of technology and what some of the manufacturers are coming out with, we've developed not only our Center of Excellence, but the capabilities within our team to have lunch and learns and things like that, where we can come on site, we can talk to how do you integrate these and put them together. From a Center of Excellence perspective, we have the ability to go out to the manufacturers, we get our hands on the latest and greatest technologies, we deploy them internally. What this means for the customer is they have access to somebody who's had their hands on it, seen what it can do, integrated it with other technologies. Typically, we have the ability to demonstrate those capabilities. We can bring that out to a customer site, and we can run things like proof of concepts where a customer can see how this would specifically integrate with a solution or a problem they're trying to address.